how to merge Fortnite accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. But first thing first, don't try it if you have purchased your account from someone else. Otherwise you might get your account get banned. So don't try this if you have purchased your account from someone else. So simply open up browser and search for merge accounts Fortnite and you would see this one. Simply open up this link, the first one, and this is where it will take you. Don't do anything over here, simply scroll down and here you get this option of contact us. Simply click on this option of contact us. After that you need to describe your problem over here. Simply tell that you are facing some problem or trouble while linking your old Xbox or PS account to your current Epic Games account and something like that. After that you would get the response from assistant. Simply answer accordingly and make sure that you are answering correctly and you know all the details of your account, and this way you would be able to merge your accounts. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.